need some music. We need some music. I like a music. Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I created this look. It's another half cut crease, but I'm super in love with it, like you already know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial and continue watching. It looks so freaking scary because I already did my eyebrows, but the first palette we're going to be going in with is the Morphe 350, the OG Morphe palette. Everybody was raving about this when it first came out. And the first color I'm going to be using is this orange right here, and I'm just taking it on a Wet n Wild blending brush. And if I'm looking down, it's because this is where my mirror is. So we're just going to be placing this in the crease. And I already primed with my MAC, a soft ochre paint pot. I didn't set it or anything because they say that if you don't set it, the shadows show up more, so I'm going to try it out. I'm usually scared not to set it because I don't want my shadows to come out patchy, but we'll see how it goes today. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona Aries palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here in the middle. It's called Burnt Terracotta. Taking a Morphe M506. Once again, another small brush, and we're going to place this right where we put that other shade. Okay, now take that other brush, the Wet n Wild one, and we're just going to blend out the top. Okay, we're now going to be taking the Modern Renaissance palette by AV8. I'm going to be taking the shade right here called Red Ochre, and we're going to place this in the same spot. We just want to add a little bit more darkness to the look. Now just go back in with that blending brush. The next color we're going to be taking is this one right here called Cyprus Umber, and we're still using the Modern Renaissance palette. So we're placing this in our crease, but we're just keeping it low, because if you bring it too high, you're going to look like you have a black eye. Okay, that looks super messy, but we're going to go back in with that same blending brush and just start blending and softening it out. Okay, now we're going to be doing a half cut crease, so I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the shade Light. Not that it really matters, just use your concealer, and I'm going in with the Equal Tools brush that looks like this. So I like to go in with this bigger brush other than this one because I like this to initially pat the concealer all over the lid, and then this just to like detail it up here. So I'm just going to pat this all over my lid. So now I like to go in with a smaller brush like I said and just fill that in. Okay, that's one cut crease. Now I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll be right back. The next shade we're going to be going in with is this one right here that's Broken from my Aries palette by Natasha Denona, and it's called Nude. So I'm picking that up on a flat synthetic brush, and I'm going to spray it with some MAC Fix Plus. And we're going to pat this all over the lid. Okay, I have that shade all over my eyes, so now I'm going to go back in with Cyprus Umber from my Modern Renaissance palette. And we're going to be smoking out the outer corner. We're gonna go back in with that blending brush and just blend this out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do my face off camera and then I'll be right back so you can do our eyes. Okay guys, so I finished up my face. Now we're gonna go back to the eyes. So we're gonna take that burnt terracotta shade from the Natasha Denona Aries palette. Now we're just gonna take a fluffy blending brush and blend this out. My god, this had the brown on it. Oh, let me mess up the other side too. Okay, we're gonna take another blending brush and just smoke this out. Now we're gonna take our first transition shade, and it was from the Morphe 35O palette. It was this orange right here. And we're just gonna take it on this brush that we've been using to blend out that shadow. Okay, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna go in with a quick coat of mascara. This one is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. I love this mascara, it's super black. Actually, on my bottom lashes, I like to go in with a waterproof mascara. So I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. Because I don't like it to get all black under here, so if you have that problem, just go in with a waterproof mascara and it won't transfer. Okay, the lashes I'm going to be going in with are the Makeup Shack lashes in the style Dubai. They look like this. And I trimmed a lot off because these are super big. Just wait for them to dry a little so they can get like tacky. The lash glue I used is this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. They've dried enough, so you just like put it down like this. Then you fix it. For lips, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm just going to go in with this Buxom lip gloss in the shade Celeste. Okay, so this was the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos from me. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye guys.